Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate destination for car reviews and updates. Today, we are diving into a legendary off-road beast, the Jeep Wrangler. Known for its unbeatable off-road capabilities, rugged design, and American heritage, the Wrangler is the ultimate SUV for adventure seekers. Let's explore what the 2025 Jeep Wrangler offers to Indian buyers and why it's a dream vehicle for enthusiasts. Body. Exterior design. The Jeep Wrangler retains its timeless design while integrating modern updates to make it look bold and sophisticated. The front features the iconic 7-slot grille, flanked by round LED headlamps that give it a classic yet modern appearance. The square body design, muscular fenders, and removable doors and roof panels give it a rugged and adventurous vibe. The Wrangler rides on 18-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, adding to its off-road readiness. At the rear, the SUV boasts LED tail lamps, a side-mounted spare wheel, and a high ground clearance, emphasizing its trail-ready DNA. With its classic styling and rugged appeal, the Jeep Wrangler is instantly recognizable and built for adventure, safety, and build quality. The Jeep Wrangler is built to keep passengers safe while maintaining its rugged character. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, escape, and roll mitigation systems. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear parking sensors add to its safety credentials. The Wrangler's robust frame and high-strength steel body ensure durability and crash protection, making it as safe as it is capable. With its comprehensive safety features, the Wrangler gives you confidence on and off the road. Price and variants. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler is available in two trims, catering to different needs. The Wrangler Unlimited, priced at approximately 59.05 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, offers essential off-road and luxury features. The Rubicon variant, priced at 63.05 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, is equipped with advanced off-road capabilities and premium upgrades. With its premium pricing, the Wrangler caters to enthusiasts seeking adventure and exclusivity. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler? With its iconic design, legendary off-road capabilities, premium interiors, and modern technology, it's a car that delivers the ultimate adventure experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering the toughest trails, the Wrangler is built to perform. Let us know in the comments if the Jeep Wrangler is your dream SUV. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.